Starting a web design business is an exciting and rewarding endeavor, but it's never easy. Maybe you're tired of working for an agency or corporation, or perhaps you want to take your freelance gig full-time. Whatever your reason, it's important you embrace the challenges and responsibilities of owning and operating your own business. To be in business, you must decide what products and services you will provide, and then what you will charge for them. Whether you plan to offer such services as a one-time site redesign or ongoing support, customized graphics, or ad design and management, it can be helpful to develop an internal rate card for all services you plan to offer and the cost to your clients. You likely already understand what types of website design and services people need. The question becomes, what should you focus on? You don't have to do everything for everyone. Choose services you're great at and enjoy doing. Once you have an idea of the main services you will offer, you can consider complementary services. To build a sustainable business, you have to create a recurring stream of revenue. To do that, productize your services. In other words, instead of selling a site design or a service on a one-time basis, turn your offerings into subscriptions. Once you've productized services, define how the subscription will benefit your customer. Will it save them time or money, deliver peace of mind, make it easier to sell their products or services? When you match your new productized services to client needs, your offerings will practically market themselves. Next, determine your pricing. You don't want to sell yourself short or not be competitive, but you also have to make a profit. First, get a clear view of the cost of all the activity that goes into your business, including developing your products and services.
One of the key points, and I think many people make this mistake early on, which is the mistake of trying to charge for your time instead of charging for value. So the service that you're providing has a lot of value behind it. It's your experience, it's your tools, it's your problem-solving abilities, it's the fact that you've seen many other projects before. And so when somebody says, well, that only took an hour, you should charge me for an hour, you shouldn't be charging for the hour, you should be charging for all the stuff you know how to do during that hour. Or many people starting out would say, I'm going to charge per page. You know, it's a 10-page website, I'll charge you for 10 pages. And the reality is that the experience and knowledge that goes into the 10 pages is way more important than the number of hours that goes into the 10 pages. That's not just for web designers, that's for everybody. Charge for value, not for time.
Finally, research what other web designers charge, but don't be quick to cut your pricing in a bid to be more competitive. You want to avoid underpricing your services. Once your products, services, and pricing model are in place, it's time to find yourself some clients. You don't want to be known as just a generic web designer. Instead, focus on where your skills and passion intersect. That's what will set you apart from your competition. It also means you'll be doing your best work. The outcome for your clients will tend to be better, and you'll be happier. Customer satisfaction is critical to the success of a web design business. Even more critical is your own satisfaction. So make sure you engage with web design clients who are the right fit for you. Consider the attributes of your perfect client. Do you want to work with nonprofits or for-profits? Public or private sector? Small businesses or large corporations? By understanding who your ideal client is, you'll be able to target your marketing effectively and rule out mismatches that can cause you more trouble than they're worth. So, how do you find your ideal client? Networking works. Craft your elevator pitch, then take every opportunity to let others know what you offer and ask for referrals. To get potential clients interested in your brand, create a lead magnet, an item of value that you can offer your target audiences in exchange for their email address. Use a customer relationship management tool to keep track of who you contact, the results of that contact, and potential future follow-up opportunities. Then, brainstorm with aligned businesses like copywriters and graphic designers about ways to promote and market your web design business. Finally, consistently do your best work and collaborate on projects where there is a shared vision. If you're serious about starting your own web design business, be sure to consider the pros and the cons. There will always be demand for websites as new businesses get started and established businesses want to up their game. The work will be fun, creative, and you'll continually learn from the variety of clients you'll have. You will be able to work from anywhere, expand your business at your own pace, and get started without a formal degree. However, the field changes rapidly and you can't rest on your laurels. Staying on new trends and technologies is key to competing with your competition. Many people are anxious to get into this field, and you will be working alone at your computer for long stretches of time. So changing your lifestyle to have more outside interaction is crucial. Are you still wondering what's the secret to making your web design business happen? Entrepreneurship can be a wonderful thing, but it's not for everyone. Take the time to absorb all that's covered here. Dig into the linked articles in our description below for more information, make your plan, choose a starting point, and then go for it. Remember, you'll wear many hats, including business owner and designer. Or you can wear one that says boss, like me.